Hello, this is Benitomo Kamimura from aps Academy. If there are any parts that you cannot understand or pronounce, try listening to it at a slower speed. Now let's get started. The Return of Wales. New York City is famous for theaters and museums, but these days it is also becoming famous for something else. Humpback whales. More and more people in the city have looked out at the ocean and seen one of these creatures. In 2000, fishermen first noticed the whales in the area, and the sightings have become more frequent ever since. This is surprising because while humpbacks are often found near the West Coast, they are not as common near the East Coast. However, humpback whales were once very common in the area. Then, in the 1650s, when Europeans first moved to the New York area, they began hunting whales to use their fat for fuel. In the 1840s, other kinds of fuel, such as kerosene, replaced whale fat. Nevertheless, whale meat remained popular, and by the 20th century, there were only about 700 humpbacks in the Atlantic Ocean. Moreover, the water in and around New York began to contain harmful chemicals. Scientists believe that these two things, too much hunting and water pollution, caused the humpbacks to disappear from the area about 100 years ago. Much has changed since then, though. For example, in 1972, the U.S. government created a law called the Clean Water Act to reduce pollution in oceans, lakes, and rivers. Gradually, as the water became cleaner, many types of fish and sea life returned, providing a food source for whales. Thanks to this, it seems that whales are finally able to return to the water around New York City. How did you do? That's it for today. See you next time.